The t-shirt manufacturing industry in India has become a significant part of the apparel sector, experiencing substantial growth in recent years. Valued at Rs 23,211 crore, the industry is expected to continue growing due to the increasing demand for casual and comfortable wear across various demographics. The expansion of the market is influenced by the rise of e-commerce, social media, and a trend towards personalized fashion. By 2027, the industry is projected to reach 61,954 crore, creating numerous opportunities for manufacturers, designers, and retailers. Custom and creative t-shirts have gained considerable popularity as consumers look for unique and personalized products that reflect their individuality. To remain competitive, manufacturers need to prioritize quality, innovation, and design. Custom t-shirt printing in particular is a booming trend, with the market expected to grow from USD $363.46 million into 2023 to US $696.84 million by 2032, indicating a shift towards creative one-of-a-kind designs. So if you are wondering how to start a t-shirt manufacturing business, here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch your business successfully. Market research and business plan. Define your target market and niche. For example, casual wear, custom prints, sportswear. Create a business plan that includes cost estimation, sourcing, and sales strategy. Sourcing raw materials. Fabrics like cotton, polyester, or blended materials. Inks and dyes are important blended materials. Eco-friendly inks for screen or digital printing. Labels and packaging materials. Build relationship with reliable fabric and ink suppliers. Investment. Small scale setup Rs 5 lakh to 10 lakhs suitable for custom t-shirt printing using basic equipment. Larger setup. It can be from 15 lakh to 25 lakh suitable for mass production with high quality machinery and automated systems. Setting up the production line. Rent or buy a production space, purchase necessary equipment, sewing machines, cutting tools, and create a layout for efficient workflow. Now, what about the equipment? Screen printing machines are ideal for bulk printing but requires stencils. Digital printing machines are best for detailed designs and small runs. Heat press machines are affordable and suitable for small-scale custom jobs. Choose based on your scale of operation and customization needs. Hiring labor. Hire experienced workers for cutting, stitching, and printing tasks. Sales and marketing. Utilize online platform and marketplaces like Amazon or your website. You can fix the price according to the quality of the garment. Leverage social media and influencers to promote your designs. Creative design strategies and niche markets. Focusing on unique niche like pop culture, sports, or eco-friendly themes can help your t-shirt business stand out. Designs that resonate with fans of specific movies or music genres can attract dedicated customer bases. Eco-friendly t-shirts made from organic materials appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Allowing customers to personalize their t-shirts enhance their connection to the product. This can include options for custom prints or designs, making the shirt more desirable. Regularly analyzing market trends to stay updated on popular themes and styles. This involves understanding what consumers are currently interested in and adapting your designs accordingly. Knowing your target audience's values and interests is crucial for creating appealing designs. Researching consumer behavior can guide your design process, ensuring it aligns with what potential customer wants. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively differentiate your t-shirt designs in a competitive market and cater to specific consumer needs. Next, sales channels and distribution. Utilize platforms like Shopify and Printify to set up an e-commerce store. These platforms allow you to create custom t-shirts, manage sales, and handle customer transactions easily. They also offer integration with various payment methods, making it convenient for customers to purchase your products online. Consider selling your t-shirts in retail stores, local markets, or pop-up shows. These avenues provide direct customer interaction, allowing you to showcase your unique designs and engage with your audience personally. Also, for higher sales, use print-on-demand model. The print-on-demand model eliminates the need for upfront inventory. T-shirts are printed only when an order is received, significantly reducing the risk of unsold stock. This model allows for easy customization of designs based on consumer preferences. You can quickly adapt to trends and customer feedback, ensuring your products remain relevant and appealing. Marketing and branding. Identify who your target customers are. Create engaging content using visuals, videos, and stories to connect emotionally with your audience. Tools like scheduling apps can streamline this process. Collaborate with influencers whose audience aligns with your brand. This boosts credibility and expands your reach. Focus on creating genuine partnerships, as this can lead to more effective promotions and a loyal customer base. Share your brand's values and mission to connect on a personal level with customers. This fosters trust and loyalty. Use platforms like Amazon or Etsy to reach a broader audience. Ensure product descriptions are clear, compelling, and optimized for search. Ensure your e-commerce site is easy to navigate and mobile friendly. Utilize SEO, social media ads, and email marketing to drive traffic to your store. Here are some key tips for your long-term success. Regularly update your designs to stay relevant and attract customers. Engage with your audience to understand their preferences. Develop a strong brand story that resonates with your target market, enhancing customer loyalty. Diversify suppliers to mitigate risks and streamline your supply chains for efficiency. Concluding with, the t-shirt manufacturing business in India presents a remarkable opportunity for entrepreneurs to tap into a rapidly growing market. With the industry projected to reach 61,954 crore by 2027, there is a clear demand for innovative and personalized designs that cater to diverse consumer preferences. By focusing on quality, creativity, and effective marketing strategies, businesses can carve out a niche in the competitive landscape.